Hey, what's up, tech enthusiasts? Today I've got something super exciting to share with you. If you're into smartphones and cutting-edge tech, you're gonna love this. The Infinix 045G is set to launch in India on September 18th, and it's packed with some mind-blowing AI features, so let's dive right in. First off, this phone is already official in Malaysia, and it's making waves globally. Why? Because it's not just another smartphone, it's a glimpse into the future of AI right in your hands. Alright, let's talk about these AI tools. The Infinix AI Suite includes some seriously cool features. There's the AI Eraser, which lets you remove any unwanted objects from your photos like magic. Imagine taking a perfect shot and then just erasing that random passerby. Boom! Gone. Next up, we've got AI Wallpaper. This feature allows you to generate custom wallpapers from text and images. Just think about how personalized your phone can get. And for all you creative folks, the AI cutout sticker feature is a game changer. It helps you create dynamic stickers from image cutouts. Super fun and handy for your social media posts. But wait, there's more. The Infinix 045G also includes AI Vlog, AI Image Generator, AI Translate for real-time translation, and AI Text Generator for effortless content creation. This phone is basically a tech wizard in your pocket. Now, let's talk specs. The global variant of the Infinix 045G features a stunning 6.74-inch FHD plus 144Hz AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 1300 nits. Perfect for those vibrant and smooth visuals. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 chipset, and you can get up to 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. Plenty of space and performance for all your needs. It runs on Android 14-based XOS 14.5 and promises 2 years of OS upgrades and 3 years of security updates. Photography enthusiasts, you're in for a treat. The rear camera setup includes a 108MP OIS main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 2MP depth sensor. On the front, there's a 50MP ultra-wide camera for those perfect selfies. And let's not forget about the battery. It packs a 5000 mAh battery with 45W wired charging and 20W wireless charging. So you can go on and on without worrying about running out of juice. As for the price, the Infinix 045G launched in Malaysia for Rm 1,699, which is around Rs 32,831. We can expect it to be an affordable mid-range phone in India, but the official price will be revealed at the launch. So, mark your calendars for September 18th. The Infinix 045G is bringing the future of AI to your hands, and you don't want to miss it. Stay tuned for more updates and hit that like button if you're as excited as I am. Catch you in the next one. This is Tech Devil signing off.